Standard 12, exercise 8.4. A 150 watt lamp emits light of mean wavelength of 5500 angstrom. If the efficiency is 12%, find out the number of photons emitted by the lamp in 1 second. So what is given here is the power of the lamp is given as 150 watt and the wavelength is given as 5500 angstrom and the efficiency is given as 12%. Okay. We know power is equal to number of electrons, number of photons into energy. Okay, so we can write P is equal to N into E, but we know E is equal to Hc by lambda. So P is equal to N Hc by lambda. Okay. Now power is equal to power rated into efficiency. So this is a rated power. Okay. So it is N Hc by lambda into eta. Okay. So now what we have to calculate is N. So N is equal to P eta lambda by Hc. Okay. So what is your power? Power is given as what? 150 watt. So 150 into eta value is 12 by 100. by 100 into 5500 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by Hc 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8. So you will be getting it here 150 into 12 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 5500 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 27. This is 25. So if you multiply all these things, you will be getting it as 9.9 into 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 25. If you again divide this, you will be getting it as 4.98 into 10 raised to 19. So your number of photons is 4.98 into 10 raised to 19.